Hello, let's imagine a situation. You are receiving a call, but for some reason you cannot answer it at the moment. You would like to forward this call to your mailbox. It's easy to do from Wildix Collaboration. Let's see how. Here is our call. I cannot answer it at the moment. So I should just press this forward arrow button and press the icon Send to Voicemail. Easy. And you can see that I have a new voicemail and I can listen to it from Collaboration. Like this. We just saw how you can forward an incoming call to your own voicemail. But actually you can forward calls not only to your own voicemail, but also to the voicemail of some other user. Let's see. Here is our call, and I would like to forward it to the voicemail of my colleague. So I type the name here and select this voicemail icon. And here is one final tip I want to give you. Actually, I can transfer a call to voicemail at any moment. Not only before answering a call, but also during a call, like this. I'm on a call right now, so I can press the transfer button, the arrow button, at any moment and send the call, the active call, to my voicemail or to the voicemail of my colleague. Like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.